What's up guys, it's Talha here and welcome back to part 2 on modeling classic house in Revit. Let's get started. Okay, so here you can see I have already opened this project and now let's create our garage door here. So I'm not going to be using any garage door family, but instead I will use wall to create the garage door. So I just wanted to show you this method. So anyway, let's go to site plan, and first we need to split this wall. So select this and we will split from the center here. Then you just need to drag this side here, and this wall also you need to drag until here. And now we will create our garage door. So let's go to architecture, select wall, and you need to select a generic wall. So I'll select this generic 5 inches, then edit type, duplicate, let's call it garage door. Okay, edit, and we need to give the thickness of our door, so I will just put 3 inches. Okay, and now here base constraint, we set it to site, and top constraint you need to make it unconnected, so we can give the height. We will give the height of our door, so let's give it 8 feet. And now okay, here just make sure the location line is set to center line, and now we can create our garage door here. If we go into 3D, you can see we got something like this. And now we need to edit one of these walls, so I will select this one, then edit profile. Let's go to the front view, and I will just change it to hidden line. And now let's just create lines like this, and we will use trim and extend to trim this one and join these two. Now I will just finish, and you can see we got our door here, our garage door, but we will add a glass. We will add glass here. So let's go back to site plan again, and I'm going to be using the curtain wall to create the glass here. So select wall, and from here scroll down and select curtain wall, and we need to do some changes here. So let's give the base offset 5 feet, and unconnected height will make 2 feet, which is going to be the height of our glass. And now let's draw our wall here, our curtain wall, but you don't need to draw the curtain wall on the center because this wall is very thin. So you need to draw the curtain wall on this line. You can see this line is highlighting, so I'll just draw from here 2 feet. Okay, none of the created elements are visible in floor plan, so it means we need to edit the view range. So let's just press VR to open up this view range dialog. So here you need to change the height of the cut plane. So if you remember, we gave the base offset to the glass was 5 feet, so we need to give something more than 5 feet. So just give 5 feet 2 inches, and if I click OK, we can now see our glass, but it's still not visible in the 3D view. So because we need to cut that curtain wall from this generic wall, so you can just select that one. You can see it's highlighting, so we'll just select this curtain wall, then edit type, and here just make sure this automatically embed is checked. Now apply. Okay, and it should cut this wall, but I think maybe we need to do it by using cut geometry because this wall is very thin. So let's go to modify, select cut geometry here, then select this wall, this generic wall, and then just select this curtain wall. And now I will just copy this one, so let's go to site plan, select this and copy. I will add 2 more. Okay, select, just keep this checked. Let's take this to the center, select all these 3, then just take that to the center like this. Okay, we need to cut these 2 also. So select cut geometry, just check this multiple cut, then select this wall, then these 2 curtain walls. So you can see we got our garage door. Let's make it more realistic. So to do that, I'm going to be using a wall reveal to create some reveals here. So select the wall reveal, but maybe we need to edit the profile. So you can see the profile is very big, so you just need to go to families here, then profiles, and then reveal, maybe this one. Yes, this reveal brick course. We will edit this 1-inch brick. Okay, here just double click on this one brick and it will open up this type properties. Let's duplicate this and we will make it 1 inch by 1 inch profile. Okay, and here you just need to change this brick length to 1 inch and height 1 inch and the depth also 1 inch. Then okay, let's just minimize the families, and now let's create reveals here. So select wall reveal from here, from this drop down, then edit, duplicate, garage door. Okay, and here in the profile you need to select the one which we have just created, this 1 by 1. Okay, and let's place one here, and we will go to the front view and we will just array this this reveal. Select this profile, then array. Here let's keep it last and select this point, then just place here. Now we need to give the number here, so I will put 15. Okay, 15, maybe let's make it 16. Okay, now it's perfect. If you go into 3D, you can see it will look more realistic. Okay, now we need to add the mullions to these classes here. So select mullion, and then from this drop down we will select 1 inch square, all grid lines, and just place just click here the corner of this curtain wall. Here also you can see, if I change this to hidden line, you can see the grid will highlight, so you just need to click. So now, so it's looking very good and very realistic, you can see. So let's move to other floors also. Let's move to level 1. So but before that I will just go to ground floor and let's extend this wall. I don't know why I forgot to create this, so let's just join that here. And now we will just copy this ground floor to the first floor also. So let's go to front view and select all from here, select the walls and the windows like this, and copy to clipboard, then paste. Just click on this drop down and select align to selected levels, and here select level 1. Okay, and we have created our first floor also. So you can see it was very simple, but only we need to do some changes like this one, these windows we need to add some more here. So let's go to level 1 and change the visual style to wireframe. Select these two, or we'll just select one, then copy, paste here. Multiple is selected already, and one here also. And now let's mirror these three. Okay, check this. Now select all, select these windows, and then we will mirror from the center here. And here also we need to delete this door, and we will copy this window here. Okay, so if you look into 3D, we have finished with the ground, with the first floor also. And let's create a floor here. So I will just go to level 1 and select floor. This time we will create only a 6-inch floor. So edit type, duplicate, just call it 6-inch. Okay, and we need to give the thickness here 6 inches. Okay, and let's just use rectangle and draw from here that corner to this. And select line and draw on these walls. And now I will just split this line and trim. Just use trim and extend to join this. Finish. Okay, I will just click no. Now we can see we got our floor here, and I will just copy this one to the level 3 also, to the roof level also. So select this, then copy to clipboard, paste, align to selected levels, and paste that to roof. You can see it started looking very nice. And now we will copy these walls again to the roof level. So you just need to select walls only. So you need to change it to wireframe. Select all these walls here. So you can just select the filter. I think so. You can see the wall, only the walls are now selected. So we will copy that to copy to clipboard, then paste that to roof floor. Okay, these curtain walls also copied, so we'll just delete them. Select all, delete, and now select all these walls, and we will change the height because this is going to be the parapet. So change that to change the height. Okay, so you need to change the top constraint to unconnected, and then just give the height of 3 feet, which is the standard height for the parapet. So what's remaining? Okay, we need to create the roofs here on these two sides. So let's go to side plan, and I will just select the roof from here. Okay, you don't need to select the ground, but you need to select level 1. Just click yes, and now we will create our roof here like this. Finish, and we need to change the thickness of this roof. So select the roof, edit type, and let's make it 6 inches also. Okay, and now let's go to the front view, and we will change the height of this roof. So select this, and it will give you these two handles here. So select this one and just drag it, and it's enough. And now we will copy this to the other side also. Go to level 1, select that, copy, and copy from the middle here, or maybe from this corner, and just place it here, or we can just mirror this. So select this roof, then mirror from the center like so. Now we need to change the height of these walls here, so select these three walls, just hit tab key to highlight, and now we need to change the top constraint to unconnected, and then just give it 12 feet. And let's edit this. So select this wall, then edit profile and go to the front view, and let's take this a bit more. Okay, first we need to just take this line until here, just click, select remove constraint, and now let's use line and just draw, then 10 inches, just join this. Okay, let's remove this one, and we will use spline or maybe this arc, and we will create an arc here like so. And let's trim this line and this one. Okay, and you can see if we got this kind of shape here. Let's change the height of this wall, of these two, or maybe we will copy this, we will just mirror this one, but this you need to change the height again, just make it 10 feet, or we will just use this handle and take this up here. Now let's go to site plan and mirror this wall like so, and now we will mirror these two walls here also. So let's go to site plan here and delete these lines, these walls here. We will just mirror these. Okay, this one we need to edit. Let's remove this curtain wall, just hit tab key to highlight the curtain wall, then delete, and delete this one also. Okay, we need to edit this. Let's just double click on this, edit, just select this, then edit profile and take that here, and we will just remove constraint and draw a rectangle around our garage door. Split this and just use trim and extend and join these two. Okay, for this we will just use this handle and take that one down, and this one also. Okay, here there's some problem, so we need to edit profile, select all. Okay, we better delete this one, and we will just copy this one. So just use pick lines and select this line, this one, and now just use trim and extend to join. So we're almost finished with this project. Only a few things remaining, which we'll do in the third and the final part of this tutorial series. So that's it. I hope you have learned something new, so please make sure to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and see you guys in the next video.